Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 15th, 2023. Now we're currently looking at cucumbers. Okay, they seem to be really dissatisfied. I think anything that's in the cucumber family or the squash family right now is getting scorched by this heat and is showing some real signs of distress on this property. So that's a little sad, but it's one of those unfortunate things that we have to deal with when we're experimenting with gardening. In here we have the Yardlong bean. It seems to be doing really well. We kind of kicked it off late. I see some flowers growing here, so there will be some beans shortly thereafter. Oh wow, I don't know what that is, but that looks like it could be, I don't know, a loofah gourd. So we have two different types of gourds that we kicked off in here as well. One is the loofah gourd and the other is the bottle gourd. Unless those are cucumbers that just kind of grew over. I'm not sure. But the gourds, they're mostly in here. Ooh, I see a Yardlong bean right there is growing. Anyhow, that's about it. I have leaves and detritus here from last year's pit that was inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi to really get the nutrients to start activating and being dispersed throughout the material. And it seems to be working pretty good as a medium to grow these cucumbers in, but I don't know. I think the sun just might be scorching the cucumbers. I really do. This heat is unbearable for a lot of things that you try to grow here in Florida. They've been getting plenty of water, so I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of these beans, gourds, and cucumbers. Have a great day.